Welcome back. Earlier, we have discussed all about asexual reproduction. Moving further, let's discuss all about sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which the genetic material from two different cells combine, producing an offspring. The cells that combine are called sex cells. Female sex cells are called the egg, and the male sex cells called the sperm. Fertilization happens when an egg cell and a sperm cell join together. A new cell is formed and is called a zygote. What do you think are the different advantages and disadvantages of sexual reproduction? Number 1, there will be a diversity in its offsprings. Genetic variation among offsprings is due to half of the DNA coming from the mom and half of the DNA coming from the dad. Due to genetic variation, individuals within a population have a slight differences. For example, plants can resist diseases and traits can develop to resist harsh environment that allows an organism to survive. Another is selective breeding, which is used to develop many types of plants and animals that have desirable traits. For example, agriculture or farming can produce better plants and larger animals. This can also produce desirable pets. But what are the different disadvantages of sexual reproduction? Number 1, time and energy consuming. Why? Because organisms have to grow and develop until they are old enough to produce sex cells. Another, they must search and find a mate. Another, searching can expose individuals to predators, diseases, or harsh environmental conditions. Fertilization cannot happen during pregnancy, which can last for as long as 2 years for some mammals. Here are some of the examples of organisms that produce sexually. On the other hand, what are the different advantages of asexual reproduction? One of the advantages of asexual reproduction is that it enables organisms to reproduce without a mate. Therefore, there is no wasted time and energy. Another advantage of asexual reproduction is that it enables some organisms to rapidly reproduce a large number of uniform offspring. Because their offsprings are identical, there is no genetic variation that can be given to organisms. So these organisms have a better chance of survival. Example, if a weed killer can kill the parent, it will able to kill the offspring. Another example, a whale species can be wiped out from a disease. Another disadvantage is that dangerous mutation in DNA, wherein if the parent have a mutation in their DNA, the offspring will have it too. Here are some of the examples of organisms that reproduce asexually. Okay, so we will be having a stimulating activity. Please bring out a piece of paper and you will be doing this activity. You will create a creature that reproduces asexually. So number 1, draw the creature that you want. Number 2, describe how the creature reproduces asexually. Number 3, describe one advantage of reproducing this way. And describe one disadvantage of reproducing this way. Next, name your creature and how the uniform offspring of your creature looks like. Thank you for listening. Hope you learned a lot and see you next time. Bye!